Roulette strategy. The garden system. Author Selzer-McKenzie. Every session consists of FTWO parts. 1. The selection process. 2. The playing period. 1. The selection process. This is the first thing you do to start a session. If there are scoreboards in the tables where you play, it will save you about 40 to 60 minutes of the selection process. Use the tables as scoreboard and copy the numbers on paper, or write them down as they hit if there is not scoreboard. You must write the numbers in the same order they hit. When a number repeats, circle it. What you need is a group of 24 different numbers, with at least 10 asterisk repeaters. See update. It could take from 34 to 56 outcomes to find a group like this. Most times it takes about 50 outcomes. Example: 19, 1, 31, 21, 34, 8, 22, 25, 33, 16, 26, 28, 12, 9, 35, 13, 2, 7, 24, 29, 20, 18, 0, 11 xxxxxxx. In this example we have finished a selection process successfully. There are 10 repeaters. Numbers 31, 34, 25, 16, 26, 12, 9, 2, 7, and 29. Now you are wondering, what are those X? Every X means the hit of that number. So now you think, okay, so number 31 has hit 3 times. That is wrong. Number 31 has hit 5 times. Pay attention. First time a number 31 hits, you write it down. Second time it hits, you circled it. And every next time the number hits, you added a X. Therefore, in the above example we have that 31 has hit 5 times, 34 has hit 2 times, 25 has hit 2 times, 16 has hit 2 times, 26 has hit 3 times, 12 has hit 2 times, 9 has hit 4 times, 2 has hit 3 times, 7 has hit 2 times, 29 has hit 2 times, and all the others numbers have hit only 1 time. Later, you will learn why you need to know how many times a number has hit. What if you come across with non-playable selection? Less than 10 repeaters. If you come across with a group of 24 numbers with less than 10 repeaters, that is a non-playable selection. But don't worry, because it doesn't happen too often. Also, you can't track 2 tables at the same time. If you have the chance, if you find a non-playable selection, forget it and start a new one. DONOT play IT. I know it could be disappointing to track about 34 to 56 outcomes and then leave it. But I think safety first. Improvements applied. THE garden system. To avoid so many unqualified sessions, the ones with less than 10 repeaters, I have tested and implemented a new rule. Originally, when you come across with a session with less than 10 repeaters, you should forget it and not play it. Well, I have changed that, and it has proved better results. Firstly, now the necessary amount of repeaters is not 10 anymore, but 9. Now with the new rule, when you come across with a session with less than 9 repeaters, DONOT forget IT. What you should do is the following. Keep tracking until YOUGET 9 repeaters. While tracking, add new numbers at the end of the string and cross out the oldest number with only 1 hit, the closest one to the beginning of the string. Do this until you have 9 repeaters. Remember that you should always have only 24 numbers in your selection. Do not forget to cross out the oldest number with only 1 hit every time you add a new number to the string. Do not forget to circle repeaters numbers as they hit. Once you have your 9 repeaters, Stop tracking and start the playing period. 2. The playing period. After you have a selection of 24 numbers, you start playing. You place flat bets in all 24 numbers. When you are ready to start and you have your chips. DONOTBETTHE first spin. To start playing you have to wait until what would have been a winning happens. Or until what would have been 3 loses in a row happens. Whatever comes first. Keep tracking these would-be numbers as instructed below. Let's continue with the above outcomes example. 19, 1, 31, 21, 34, 8, 22, 25, 33, 16, 26, 28, 12, 9, 35, 13, 2, 7, 24, 29, 20, 18, 0, 11 XXXXXXX. Let's start with the most common and easy of the sessions. Let's say the first spin. The one you do not bet. Number 20 hits. That would have been a winning. So next spin you start betting. Do not forget to track number 20. Circle it, as this is the second time it hits. Now your selection should look like this. 19, 1, 31, 21, 34, 8, 22, 25, 33, 16, 26, 28, 12, 9, 35, 13, 2, 7, 24, 29, 20, 18, 0, 11 XXXXXXX. So, now you have placed flat bet in all the above numbers. Now let's say number 25 hits. That is a winning. And you are 12 units up. NOWYO. You finish that session. There are 3 circumstances under which you must finish a session. A. When you are 12 units up. Between 10 spins from the spin you started to place bets. B. If you are not 12 units up between 10 spins. You keep playing until you are minus 12 units down. As soon as you are minus 12 units down you finish that session. You can do this until spin number 90. Counting from the first spin you have tracked. NOT from the first spin you have placed bets. Don't worry too much about this, as this very rarely happens. If ever. Usually you finish a session before place spin number 20. The longest session I have recorded is 31 spins to finish minus 12 units. And that have happened once in 750 sessions. When I talk about 90 spins, I'm talking about the worst possible scenario. I think it is almost impossible to happen. Since either you surely will finish the session under circumstance, or you will finish when you are minus 12 units B from 90 spins. Circumstance, B. Or you will finish the session under a circumstance, C. C. As soon as you are minus 84 or minus 96 units down. You finish that session. Of course it is the less common circumstance. Always remember. There is a maximum of 10 spins to be 12 units up. Never forget that. After spin number 10. From the time you started to place bets. Your objective is to be minus 12 units down. Do not try to profit after 10th spin. If you do that, you are not playing the garden system properly. Let's continue with more examples. These are our numbers from the original example. 19, 1, 31, 21, 34, 8, 22, 25, 33, 16, 26, 28, 12, 9, 35, 13, 2, 7, 24, 29, 20, 18, 0, 11xxxxxxx. Let's say first spin number 23 hits. That would have been a lost. But you are not betting first spin. Remember, what you do now is to add number 23 at the end of the string. But now you have 25 numbers. So you cross out the first number of the string. Ignore numbers with more than one hit. This is easy to do because numbers with more than one hit are circled. So, you cross out number 19. Now your selection should look like this. 19, 1, 31, 21, 34, 8, 22, 25, 33, 16, 26, 28, 12, 9, 35, 13, 2, 7, 24, 29, 20, 18, 0, 11, xxxxxxxx 23. Let's say next spin number 27 hits. That would have been a lost. But you are not placing bets yet. Remember. So, you add number 27 at the end of the string and cross out number 1. Now your selection should look like this. 19, 1, 31, 21, 34, 8, 22, 25, 33, 16, 26, 28, 12, 9, 35, 13, 2, 7, 24, 29, 20, 18, 0, 11, xxxxxxx 23, 27. Let's say next spin number 11 hits. That would have been a winning. So you can't start placing bets next spin. So, you circle number 11. Never forget to circle repeaters numbers. Or if they are already circled, don't forget to add them a X. Now your selection should look like this. 19, 1, 31, 21, 34, 8, 22, 25, 33, 16, 26, 28, 12, 9, 35, 13, 2, 7, 24, 29, 20, 18, 0, 11, xxxxxxx 23, 27. Now let's say next spin number 36 hits. That is a losing. Now you are minus 24 units down. So, you add number 36 at the end of the string and cross out number 21. Remember not to cross out numbers with more than one hit. That is the reason why you don't cross out number 31 in this example. Now your selection should look like this. 19, 1, 31, 21, 34, 8, 22, 25, 33, 16, 26, 28, 12, 9, 35, 13, 2, 7, 24, 29, 20, 18, 0, 11, xxxxxxx 23, 27, 36. Now let's say next spin. Number 7 hits. That is a winning. Now you are minus 12 units down. So, you add a X under number 7. Do not cross out any numbers, since there are not new numbers added to the string. Now your selection should look like this. 19, 1, 31, 21, 34, 8, 22, 25, 33, 16, 26, 28, 12, 9, 35, 13, 2, 7, 24, 29, 20, 18, 0, 11, X X X X X X X X 23, 27, 36. Now let's say next spin. Number 18 hits. That is a winning. Now you are even. So, you circle number 18. Do not cross out any numbers, since there are not new numbers added to the string. Now your selection should look like this. 19, 1, 31, 21, 34, 8, 22, 25, 33, 16, 26, 28, 12, 9, 35, 13, 2, 7, 24, 29, 20, 18, 0, 11, X X X X X X X X 23, 27, 36. Now let's say next spin number 9 hits. That is a winning. Now you are 12 units up. Therefore you finish this session. So in this example you finished the session under circumstance A. And your winnings losing balance should look like this. Minus 24. Minus 12. 0. Plus 12. Let's see an example of a session finished under circumstance B. Minus 24. Minus 12. 0. Minus 24. Minus 48. Minus 36. Minus 60. Minus 48. Minus 36. Minus 24. From now on your objective is minus 12. Minus 48. Minus 36. Minus 24. Minus 12. Let's see an example of a session finished under circumstance C. Minus 24. Minus 48. Minus 36. Minus 60. Minus 84. Let's see another example of a session finished under circumstance C. Minus 24. Minus 12. 0. Minus 24. Minus 48. Minus 72. Minus 96. What if you have not more numbers with only one hit to cross out? This question is the reason why you need to know how many times every number have hit. If you come across with this situation, you start crossing out numbers with 2 hits. Always remember to cross out the oldest number, the closest one to the beginning of the string. If you ever come across with the situation in which you have not more numbers with 2 hits, cross out numbers with 3 hits. This circumstance is very rare. What if a crossed out number hits again? When a crossed out number came back, you added it at the end of the string and circle it since it has hit twice. And you cross out the oldest number with only 1 hit. You should always have only 24 numbers in your selection. If you come across with a situation in which a circled and crossed out number came back, you add it at the end of the string and add a X under it, since it has hit 3 times. Example. Let's say that in any given moment your selection look like this. 19, 1, 31, 21, 34, 8, 22, 25, 33, 16, 26, 28, 12, 9, 35, 13, 2, 7, 24, 29, 20, 18, 0, 11, X X X X X X X X X X 23, 27, 36, 5, 32. Next spin. Number 21 hits. As it is crossed out, you add it at the end of the string and circle it since it has hit twice. And you cross out the oldest number with only 1 hit. In this example would be number 33. Now your selection should look like this. 19, 1, 31, 21, 34, 8, 22, 25, 33, 16, 26, 28, 12, 9, 35, 13, 2, 7, 24, 29, 20, 18, 0, 11, XXXXXXXX 23, 27, 36, 5, 32, 21. Very important guidelines. Always remember, you do not bet in the first spin. You must wait until what would have been a winning happens, or until what would have been 3 loses in a row happens. Whatever comes first. Always remember, there is a maximum of 10 spins to be 12 units up. Never forget this rule. Always remember that only after a losing you add a new number, and cross out a number. Always remember that only after a winning you circle a repeater number, or add a X to a repeater number. How many sessions should you play and what value of chips? Well, I think the best is to play 2 sessions a day, 3 or 4 days a week, with $2 chips. At least that is what I do. But it's up to you. I suggest you to play as a professional player. What it means? Well, have discipline. Stick to the system instructions and don't be greedy. Testers read this. What I need from you is number of winning sessions, number of losing sessions. As you know, there are 3 kinds of losing sessions: -12, -84, and -96. I need the number of losing sessions of all 3 types. Your total winnings losing balance. Also, if it is possible, number of winning spins and number of losing spins. Your opinion. Of course, feel free to email me if you have any questions, any ideas about any progression or regression to improve results. Will be welcome. Garden System Test Results Report. Have a nice day. Test results spins. 54,008 total sessions. 1. 256 WON sessions. 991. Every 1 session is plus 12. Lost sessions. -12. 181 lost sessions. -84. 52 lost sessions. -96. 32 total balance. +2. 472 long-term computer test results. Test 1. Spins. 115. 000 total sessions. 2. 753 WON sessions. +12. 2. 211 lost sessions. -12. 341 lost sessions. -84. 132 lost sessions. -96. 69 total balance. +4. 728 test 2. Spins. 80. 000 total sessions. 2. 215 WON sessions. +12. 1. 771 lost sessions. -12. 291 lost sessions. -84. 102 lost sessions. -96. 51 total balance. +4. 296 test 3. Spins. 223. 000 total sessions. 6. 015 sessions WON. +12. 4. 804 sessions lost. -12. 804 sessions lost. -84. 265 sessions lost. -96. 142 total balance. +12. 108 test 4. Spins. 325. 148 total sessions. 8. 977 sessions WON. +12. 6. 967 sessions lost. -12. 1. 459 sessions lost. -84. 369 sessions lost. -96. 182 total balance. Plus 17. 628. What it means? It means that there are a total of 216 sessions. Let's say you play 4 sessions a day. 5 days a week. That would be 80 sessions a month. Or else 960 sessions a year.